All continues not to be well at the headquarters of the Forum for Democratic Change FDC offices at Najanankumbi in Kampala. The party leadership under President Patrick Oboy Omriat and Secretary General Nathan Nandala have expressed determination to push on with the controversial National Executive Committee elections despite opposition from the faction led by Waswa Birigwa, the party chairman. Winners of the contested regional grassroots elections held at the end of August have undergone induction at Najanankumbi with a call for strong leadership and harmony within the party.
Be very impatient with people who want to waste your time fighting unnecessary wars. We have a bigger issue to fight, which is bringing a change. We have a bigger cause to fight, which is improving the lives of our people, ending corruption, and making sure that the rights of our people are respected.
Because when you move in blue, just moving makes a soldier shock. It feels like it's following you due to what is going on. But all the security in Uganda loves FDC. Do you know that? FDC motto. Say motto. Fire! Fire! Some with those ones who have gone away or aside a bit will come back. I tell you that they will come back. One of them made FDC fall. Name DP. He thinks that FDC will fall. No.
The party chairman, Fort Portal City, urged the under fire Nandala Mafabi to increase mobilization at the.
I encourage you to keep running, to keep this party running. We have to make sure we have leaders from grassroots up to the topmost level. The people we are competing with in the villages there, we are competing with NRM because it is the one that has the ball right now. NRM has over 20 people per village, right? But now, this activity or this party activity was intended to have structured leadership from the grassroots level.
Some of these new leaders are vying to compete for the next positions with elections due later this month. The deadline for picking of nomination forms has been pushed back to September 15th, 2023. At least 30 people had picked forms by press time. Meanwhile, opponents to the elections and other happenings at Najanankumbi are continuing with nationwide meetings to rally support to their cause, with a final gathering due to held at Busabala on the shores of Lake Victoria on Tuesday, September 19th. Najanankumbi has cautioned the Birigwa camp, warning he has no powers to summon delegates to the Busabala meeting without a month's notice.
Well, one for starters, we're looking at a special delegates conference being called by the chairman, but this is the very same chairman who chaired a meeting of National Council right here on these grounds that resolved that we shall have a delegates conference on October 6th. So we have to separate the person of the chairman from the office of the chairman. The office of the chairman was present here, and they came to a resolution with National Council that they shall hold the delegates conference on October 6th, which makes the delegates conference on 19th illegal. And that's one of the reasons we have to consult with, much as knowing that, we have to give information and eventually consult with all the delegates that are celebrating.
That we want the meeting of the 19th not to be there, and to the party president to make sure he takes action against those people who seem to be speaking that
Naguja Serena, Big Television.